Tá escuro.
When you wake up to breakfast from Tropical Smoothie Cafe, your day just starts off sunnier. Try our Cali breakfast flatbread made with eggs, avocado, and smoked cheese. Pair it with our super sunrise sunset smoothie.
Clario!
Part of our delicious breakfast menu served all day. Hey, it's 8 a.m. somewhere. Say hello to a fresher take on breakfast at Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Rise and shine, it's tropic time.
It's simply the best when you have fresh groceries at great prices delivered to your door. Kroger's delivery pros guarantee your food is handled with care. And our refrigerated trucks make sure every order gets to you extra fresh. Order everything you need with just one click. Start your cart now. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Enjoy $15 off your first 3 delivery orders of $35 or more. Offer valid with digital coupon while supplies last. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
Não consigo virar para pegar eu aqui, ó. Agora, tá vendo? Como que eu faço para virar?
Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. I'm a old dirty dog all day. No way, Jose. Your girl only go one way. I mean, my lady, you should check that out.